If you watched my last video, your brain is already starting to think in English. Now, we're going to train with even more real English sentences. Remember the rules. Listen first. Then, repeat out loud. Ready? Let's go. What's going on? Now you repeat it. What's going on? What's up? What's up? What have you been up to? What have you been up to? How's everything? How's everything? How's it going? How's it going? How have you been? How have you been? If you're enjoying this video, give it a big thumbs up. Long time no see. Long time no see. Good to see you. Good to see you. Nice seeing you. Nice seeing you. Take care. Take care. Catch you later. Catch you later. See you around. See you around. Talk soon. Talk soon. Quick challenge. Which phrase means cuídate? Type the answer in the comments. That's right. The correct answer is B. Let's continue. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. Have a good one. Have a good one. Have a great day. Have a great day. Drive safe. Drive safe. Get home safe. Get home safe. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know how it goes. Let me know how it goes. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. Do me a favor. Help me out. Subscribe to my channel. Keep me posted. Keep me posted. Fill me in later. Fill me in later. Bring me up to speed. Bring me up to speed. Give me the rundown. Give me the rundown. You're doing great. Most English learners understand more than they think. The real challenge is speaking fast enough. That's why we're training your brain here. Let's go faster. That's a good question. I'm not sure. I have no idea. That's a tough one. Let me check. I'll find out. I'll figure it out. I'll take care of it. I'll handle it. Leave it with me. I'll think about it. I'll sleep on it. I'll see what I can do. I'll try my best. That might take a while. I'll keep you updated. Final challenge. Which sentence means, lo pensaré con calma? That's right. The answer is D. If you finished this video, you just practiced real English conversation. And that's how fluency begins. But if you want to stop translating and start thinking in English, watch the next lesson on my channel. That lesson will train your brain even faster. See you in the next video. Ciao, my favorite blabanitos! Do you enjoy the way I teach English? If you do, check this out. If you like the way I teach English, check out my Patreon. There are videos, audios, and many tools for you to learn English with me. I have a phrasal verb generator and much more. I have also included podcasts with short stories and ebooks for you to learn more English with me. There are hundreds of posts and a whole world of American English. So join my Patreon now at patreon.com/blabbinit.